What does being sick, being my age, and having a dog have in common? Well, it means that you need something to assist you. So this weekend we have my daughter's dog, and I am not feeling good. And the dog is getting a little bit older, and I didn't realize until right now when I needed to take her home that this was going to be a problem. But luckily we were gifted this, so I was able to go grab it, and we're going to see if this actually helps me, being as old as I am and not feeling good, to get our grand puppy into the vehicle. Now, this is a ramp, and it is going to be able to have that slanted area because typically we lift her into the car. She's a big dog and she just doesn't have that get up and go anymore to be able to jump up into the SUV. Now, this is supposed to be totally portable, so you're able to just be able to carry it out to your vehicle, put it on, and be able to get that dog into the car. Now, I just got my nails done too, ladies, so if this isn't easy, well, this grandmama is not going to want to have to deal with that. But it looks like it's going to be a breeze once you get it all hooked up. Okay, well, my first problem is I need some scissors, so let's take this out and see what it's all about. Which I feel like kind of it's going to be a no-brainer. You just fold it up, hook it up, and away you go. Now, the nice thing is, I can already tell you, is the way that it's packaged is the way that it's going to be stored. So look how small and compact it is. It has the handle right here, so that's going to be really nice. Let's just see if I can get it out to the vehicle and see how hard it is to hook up. So far, so good. It's easy to carry. Okay, besides the fact that it's freezing and I had to go back in to get a jacket, let's see how this works. Now, if you can see here, it has two latches right here. All you do is unhook those latches for it to be able to start to expand, which, as you can see, it just opens up and expands. Now, it does have a locking feature here as well to give you that extra sense of security. So you're going to open this latch, which would release the little lever, and then press the latch down. Did you hear that? That makes it lock into place, and now I cannot bend it for anything. Now we have another side here. Press this down. Once again, we're just seeing if now not only a woman that's a little older, but a woman with nails, a woman that doesn't feel good, and a woman in the cold that hates being in the cold can get this hooked up easily to help her get her puppy home to her mommy. Okay, so it lays right on kind of wherever it's going to be stable for your car. Right here is it. Now, it does come with a D-ring, so it hooks right on and gives you that extra sense of security. Look, it can't go any farther than that, so it is completely secure. I love this. Okay, just to give you a close-up view. So it's setting here because I wanted to extend it as far as it could go. But as you can see, you can make this loop smaller if you had a smaller frame and you wanted to pull it up close. That's no problem. I would just tighten this loop up here, and then that would complete it to where it wouldn't go any farther. Now, let's check this out. Look at my feetsies. I can actually walk on this. So this is fully stable. It does bounce like a little bridge, but you're not going to be able to not have that when you are having nothing underneath you. Let's go get the puppy. She was already waiting to go try this thing out. Now, if they get to the ramp and they're a little bit unsure, just go ahead and grab a little treat to entice them to go up the ramp. I started at the very bottom of the ramp and kept trying to entice her. She didn't know what the heck was going on, but it seemed to work. We got her footing to go on the base, and then we just led her up, we meaning me, to the top. Once we got her to go up, it was easy to get her to go down. So if you're in need of a great little ramp for your vehicle, this is what I would choose.